Addition. Addition without carrying. Step 1. Arrange the digits of the given numbers in columns of thousands, hundreds, tens, and ones. Step 2. First add the numbers in the ones column and write down the answer. Then add the numbers in the tens column. Then the numbers in the hundreds column. And finally add the numbers in the thousands column. Let us try some examples. Add 4358 and 3621. Adding ones. 8 ones and 1 ones will give you 9 ones. We write 9 under the ones column. Adding tens. 5 tens and 2 tens will give you 7 tens. We write 7 under the tens column. Adding hundreds. 3 hundreds and 6 hundreds gives you 9 hundreds. We write 9 under the hundreds column. Adding thousands. 4 thousands and 3 thousands will give you 7 thousands. We write 7 under the thousands column. Thus, we arrive at the answer. Example 2. Add 2345, 3452 and 4102. First, arrange the numbers in column of ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. Now, add the numbers in the ones column. 5 ones plus 2 ones plus 2 ones is equal to 9 ones. 4 tens plus 5 tens plus 0 tens is equal to 9 tens. 3 hundreds plus 4 hundreds plus 100 is equal to 8 hundreds. 2 thousands plus 3 thousands plus 4 thousands is equal to 9 thousands. The answer will be 9,000 plus 8 hundreds plus 9 tens plus 9 ones. We write it as 9,899. Hence the sum of given numbers is 9,899. Addition with carrying. When the numbers in the columns exceed single digit, we follow the carryover method. Let us see an example to understand this concept better. Take two numbers, 4,567 and 3,678. Arrange them in columns as usual. Add ones column. 7 ones plus 8 ones will give you 15, which is 5 ones and 1 tens. You cannot write 15 as the answer in the column below. So, we take 5 ones to the column below and carry over 1 tens to the top of tens column. Now add tens column. 6 tens plus 7 tens plus 1 ten, which was carried over from adding ones column, gives you 14. Write down 4 below the tens column and carry over 1 to the hundreds column. Now add hundreds column. 5 hundreds plus 6 hundreds plus 100, which was carried over. We get 12. Write 2 below the hundreds column and carry over 1 to the thousands column. Now add thousands. 4 thousands plus 3 thousands plus 1,000, which was carried over. We get 8. Now write 8 below the thousands column. We arrive at an answer of 8,245. Example 2. Add 1,234, 2,345 and 3,456. Add ones column first. 4 plus 5 plus 6 is equal to 15. Write 5 below the ones column and carry over 1 to the tens column. Add tens column. 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 1 carry over number is equal to 13. Write 3 below the tens column and carry over 1 to the hundreds column. Add hundreds column. 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 1 carry over number, we get 10. Write 0 in the hundreds column and carry over 1 to the thousands column. Now add the thousands column. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 1 carry over number, we get 7. Write down 7 below the thousands column. The final answer arrived will be 7035. Properties of addition. Commutative property of addition. Two numbers when added in any order will give you the same answer. This property of addition is called the commutative property. Let us see some examples. Let us take two numbers, 89 and 72. Arrange them in a column and add these numbers. 89 plus 72, we get 161. Now change the order in the column and add them. 72 plus 89. The answer is the same, 161. So 89 plus 72 is equal to 72 plus 89. Example 2. Add 1368 and 2678. Arrange them in a column and add these numbers. 1368 plus 2678. We get 4046. Now change the order in the column and add them. 2678 plus 1368. Again, we get the same answer, 4046. Associative property of addition. The sum of 3 or more numbers does not change even when their grouping is changed. For example, take these numbers 1234 plus 2345 plus 3456 as example. Arrange the first two numbers in column and add 1234 plus 2345. Add ones column. 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. Add tens column. 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. Add hundreds column. 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. Add thousands column. 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. We get a total of 3579. Now add the third number, 3456, to the total arrived. 3579 plus 3456. Add ones column. 9 plus 6 is equal to 15. Write 5 below the ones column and carry over 1 to the tens column. Add tens column. 7 plus 5 plus 1, which is equal to 13. Write 3 below the tens column and carry over 1 to the hundreds column. Now add the hundreds column. 5 plus 4 plus 1 is equal to 10. Write 0 below the hundreds column and carry over 1 to the thousands column. Add thousands column. 3 plus 3 plus 1 is equal to 7. We get a total of 7,035. Now change the grouping and find the sum of 1,234 plus 2,345 plus 3,456. Arrange the second and the third numbers in a column. 2,345 plus 3,456. Add ones. 5 plus 6 is equal to 11. Write 1 below the ones column and carry over 1 to the tens column. Add the tens column. 4 plus 5 plus 1 is equal to 10. Write 0 below the tens column and carry over 1 to the hundreds column. Add the hundreds column. 3 plus 4 plus 1 is equal to 8. Write 8 below the hundreds column. Now add the thousands column. 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. We get a total of 5,801. Now add the first number 1,234 to the total arrived. 5,801 plus 5,801 plus 1,234. Add ones column. 1 plus 4 is equal to 5. Add tens column. 0 plus 3 is equal to 3. Add hundreds column. 8 plus 2 is equal to 10. Write 0 in the hundreds column and carry over 1 to the thousands column. Add thousands column. 5 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 7. We get the same answer 7,035. Additive property of 0. 0 has got no value. So, when you add 0 to a number, the sum is the number itself. Let us find the sum of 4,567 plus 0 and 0 plus 4,567. Therefore, 4,567 plus 0 is equal to 4,567 and 0 plus 4,567 is equal to 4,567. Now, let us do some word problems on addition. Example. In a bookshop, there are 2,121 moral story books, 1,443 nursery rhyme books, and 3,421 pictorial books. How many books are there in all in the bookshop? Now arrange them in columns. Number of moral story books is equal to 2,121. Number of nursery rhyme books is equal to 1,443. Number of pictorial books is equal to 3,421. Add the ones first. 1 plus 3 plus 1 is equal to 5. Add the tens now. 2 plus 4 plus 2 is equal to 8. Add the hundreds. 1 plus 4 plus 4 is equal to 9. Add the thousands. 2 plus 1 plus 3 is equal to 6. The total number of books in the shop is equal to 6,985. We can also do addition by breaking into tens and ones, collecting tens together and ones together, adding tens and ones separately. Add 45 and 56. 45 plus 56. 40 plus 5 plus 50 plus 6. 40 plus 50 plus 5 plus 6. 90 plus 11. 101.